Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Huawei Matepad 10.4 from 2022, and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So if you want to have the exact battery percentage, then all you have to do is to simply enter the settings. In this left section we have to scroll down to find the battery. Let's tap on it, and as you can see on the third position we've got the battery percentage, so let's tap. So probably in your case, and this first option do not show is marked, which means that you will have only the battery indicator. You can set next to the battery icon, just tap on it, and since it will be marked you will be able to see the percentage just like I have, so on the left from the battery icon, or you can set it inside the battery icon, so just tap on it, and as you can see the percentage will immediately be displayed inside the indicator. So actually this is it. This is how to show battery percentage on the status bar in your Huawei Matepad 10.4. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.